Hey guys, it's me Angelica Tabung, a BSE Math 31 student from PSU Bayambang Campus. Today, let us talk about money. Money is important because it helps us meet our needs, reach our goals, and prepare for the future. One smart way to make your money grow is by saving and investing. There are two main ways your money can grow over time. This is through the simple interest and compound interest. When we say simple interest, it is the amount of money paid only on the original amount. However, when we say compound interest, it is an interest on interest. So why does your money grow just by waiting? There's a math concept behind this kind of growth, and it leads us to an important constant called E. So what is the number E? So the value of E is 2.7182818 in 7 decimal values. It is an irrational number, and it was chosen because of the Swiss mathematician and physicist Leonhard Euler. So, it was derived from the formula of the compound interest. So now, let us understand how the mathematical E was derived from the compound interest formula. Now, I am going to derive the value of E by using the compound interest formula. So, the compound interest formula is A equals P times 1 plus I over N. From this, we will make this M times, we will make this a derivation of E through making it 1 plus 1 over x raised to the power of x. So how can we do that? The first step we need to do is to make this to have an m over I here. So how can we do that? We are going to make this P times 1 plus I over M and M over I times I multiplied to P. So how can we prove na ito ay same pala siya dito? By just simply saying na kapag minultiply natin ito, M over I multiplied to I times P is equal to M I P over I. And from this, we will cancel the I so that magiging parang siyang same na MT dito. So meaning this M over I times I P is equal to the MT. The second one na dapat natin i-convert into M over I ay itong M na nasa baba. So how can we do that? M plus 1 over M over tapos M over I times I. So how can we say na ito ay the same dito? It is by just simply saying na kapag dinivide natin yung 1 divided by M over I is kailangan natin itong multiply. So, 1 times baliktad na. So, 1 times I over M is equal to I over M. So, meaning, I over M is the same with this. So, meaning, 1 over M over I is the same with I over M. And from this, I we must let m over I equals x. Then from this ay makukuha na natin yung nahanap natin kanina na a equals b 1 plus 1 over ito gagawin natin siya x. And another thing is ito naman gagawin rin natin siya x. So, maiiwan yung I. So, this is the formula. However, ito lang yung kukuhanin natin. Let us understand or let us observe this 1 plus 1 over x raised to x. So, here is the table. As you can see, as number gets bigger and bigger, it approaches the number e or the value of the number e. Now, from this equation na nagawa natin, so to derive the number e, we can make it formula for economic or financial budgeting in our country. So this is the formula for that is very beneficial to our economy. So BE raised to IT. Wherein itong E, ito yung in-observe natin kanina. Yan yung value ng E at naiwan na lang yung mga ibang value. At kapag ang nangyari ay ang P, I at T ay 1 na silang lahat, ang mangyayari, ang A or total amount is equal to the value of E. This signifies the important distribution of the number E in our economic system.